Those who cling to perceptions and views wander the world offending people. They blame those who remain silent, they blame those who speak much, they blame those who speak in moderation. There is none in the world who is not blamed. Just as the great ocean has one taste, the taste of salt, so also this teaching and discipline has one taste, the taste of liberation. One who conquers himself is greater than another who conquers 1,000 times 1,000 men on the battlefield. Be victorious over yourself and not over others. Don't run after pleasure and neglect the practice of meditation. If you forget the goal of life and get caught in the pleasures of the world, you will come to envy those who put meditation first. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you, depend on no one. Only the moment you reject all help are you freed. Silence the angry man with love. Silence the ill-natured man with kindness. Silence the miser with generosity. Silence the liar with truth. It is easy to see the faults of others, but difficult to see one's own faults. One shows the faults of others like chaff winnowed in the wind, but one conceals one's own faults as a cunning gambler conceals his dice. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. The way to happiness is, keep your heart free from hate, your mind from worry. Live simply, give much. Fill your life with love. Do as you would be done by. Words have the power to both destroy and heal. When words are both true and kind, they can change our world. You must love yourself before you love another. By accepting yourself and fully being what you are, your simple presence can make others happy. Everything that happens to us is the result of what we ourselves have thought, said, or done. We alone are responsible for our lives. It is better to do nothing than to do what is wrong. For whatever you do to yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and also subscribe.